Well, you're a goddamn psycho. He's been running back and forth. Of course, as soon as I turn the camera on, he's not going to do it. But he's been running back and forth in front of me with his ass tucked, like doing the zoomies just right in front of me. Hi, guy. You excited? Or what? Are you excited? This is Ammo. He's a handsome, colorful boy. He's a good boy. You get that stick? Got that stick? What, this one? This one's a good one. Ammo. Ammo. What's this? Ready? Good boy. Goddamn, I was mesmerized by him running around. I forgot that I was recording, but then he almost stabbed me with a stick running by. Good boy. Are you having fun? Hey, come get it. Well, I mean, you bumped my leg and you didn't get it, and you didn't see where it went. Now we have to go find it. It was a good stick. There it is. Mister. Good boy. Every night at between 10:20 and 10:24, he goes by on his way home from work. He must have the day off today. Or he's on his way to work, actually. Makes sense. What day is today? Thursday? Is today Thursday? I think so. I only know when it's Monday because I have a meeting every Monday. So other than that, I don't really need to know what day of the week it is, so I always forget. That was the one good thing about being in school, was that you had to know the date, like the day, like date. So someone asks, oh, what's the date today? You'd be like, oh, well, today is May 19th. I don't really know if it is, but I know it's close to that. Actually, I think it might be the 18th. But still. That's one good thing about school. You are a handsome boy, the way you were just standing. You are. We're gonna cut this video right here. I'm just gonna play with him for a little while. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.